Hi, this video is going to show you some of the permissions your teacher might be asking you. Okay, for the first one, permission to record. If the meeting is recorded automatically, you're gonna receive a message as you log in. So here, continue. Okay, so record this, and then you're going to receive this message, and then you read this meeting is being recorded by the host or participant. You can leave the meeting or you can accept and say got it. So this is the permission to record. All the meetings are recorded. If you would like not to be in the recording, just talk to your teacher about that. Your teacher may also ask you to unmute yourself, and then you're going to receive this message. The host would like to unmute, and then you say unmute, or you can choose stay unmuted. So you come here and unmute yourself. Your teacher may also ask you to start your video. So you come here, you're going to receive this message and you say start my video, or maybe later. So you come here, click here, and your video is going to be started. Okay? Your teacher may also request you for a remote control. So they want to help you and show you on your screen, on your computer, but you have to give the permission so your teacher can do that. However, you have to be able to share your screen first, so then the teacher is going to ask you for that permission. And that's how it looks like. So first you come here, and then you share your screen, even if you're sharing this screen. So you share your screen, and then your teacher is gonna send you a message, and you click OK, and then you're gonna see your teacher is gonna show you on your computer what you have to do. Okay, so these are what I have for you in terms of permissions. Thank you for watching.